जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्छल जल तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गावे तब जय गाथा। जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे। विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा,
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा,
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
देशभक्ति दर्शाने वाला,
देशभक्ति दर्शाने वाला।
प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला,
प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला।
वीरों को हर्षाने वाला,
वीरों को हर्षाने वाला।
मातृभूमि का तन मन प्यारा,
मातृभूमि का तन मन प्यारा।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा,
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
इस झंडे के नीचे निर्भय,
इस झंडे के नीचे निर्भय।
होवे महाशक्ति का संचय,
होवे महाशक्ति का संचय।
बोलो भारत माता की जय,
बोलो भारत माता की जय।
राष्ट्र सबल हो जय हमारा,
राष्ट्र सबल हो ये हमारा।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा,
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
शान न इसकी जाने पाए,
शान इसकी जाने पाए।
चाहे जान भले ही जाए,
चाहे जान भले ही जाए।
मानव मात्र मुक्त हो जाए,
मानव मात्र मुक्त हो जाए।
तब होवे प्रण पूर्ण हमारा,
तब हो ये पूर्ण हमारा।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा,
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा,
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
Practice.
That's daily. Practice. Every day.
That's daily.
Being there for each other.
Thanks, yaar. That's daily.
गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। और कैसे हो?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Sharing cultures. That's daily. Finding peace. That's daily. Creating art.
That's daily.
Acing it.
That's daily.
Never giving up.
That's daily.
Getting ready for challenges.
With team spirit.
That's daily.
Delegates raise your placards.
Understanding internationalism. That's daily.
Diversity. That's daily.
Hey, do you think they know which daily we are talking about?
I don't think so.
Welcome to Delhi College Indore.
Fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the word has not been broken up in fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Thank you.
I request everyone to please sit down. The school is now going to present a cultural program on the occasion of Republic Day with glimpses of students' talents in music, dramatics, and dance. First, we have a patriotic song by the Delhi College music team.
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। अब जो भी हो छोरा बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। निकले हैं मैदान में हम चाहते ही बदले, अब देखो दमेंगे हम जाके अपनी मंजिल पर। इतनी तो हमें हिम्मत है, मोड़े कलाई मौत की इतनी तो हमें ताकत है। हम सरहदों के वास्ते लोहे की एक दीवार है, हम दुश्मनों के वास्ते होशियार है तैयार है। जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। जोश दिल में जगाते चलो, जीत के गीत गाते चलो। जोश दिल में जगाते चलो, जीत के गीत गाते चलो। जीत की जो तस्वीर बनाने हम निकले हैं, अपने लहू से हमको इसमें रंग भरना है। साथ ही मैंने अपने दिल में अब ये ठान लिया, या तो अब करना है या तो अब मरना है। चाहे अंगारे बरसे के बिजली गिरे, तू अकेला नहीं होगा यारा मेरे। कोई मुश्किल हो या हो कोई मोरे साथ, हर मोड़ पर होंगे सारे तेरे। अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
That was indeed an exceptional performance. Next, we have a presentation on Purna Swaraj, the electrifying resolution that called for complete freedom from the British Raj.
Do not go gentle into that good night. Rage, rage against the dying of the light. Ladies and gentlemen, today is India's day. Today is democracy's day. This is a day of history and hope. For this is the day we decide to be independent.
So, Mr. Nehru, being the president of the session, do you agree to the proposal of the Nehru report for a new Dominion status constitution?
No. I am sorry, but I reject the proposal. Honorable leaders, a Dominion status does not free us. We need, as Sir Bal Gangadhar Tilak said, Purna Swaraj, complete freedom. We must voyage into a new era. An era where the country is ruled by those who reside, not those who invade. The misery that is upon us shall pass, as all things do. We shall rule and they shall leave, and the power that they took from the people shall return to the people. And so long as we stand strong, as we continue to demand for Poon Swaraj, we won't perish. And if a thing is important enough to be done, it should be done, despite all the odds.
Freedom is our birthright. I am young in spirit. Even if my body has grown old, the spirit within me is still young, and the spirit says that freedom is my birthright. I will not be old as long as it's alive within me. No weapon can cut it, no water can drown it, no fire can burn it, and no wind can blow it. We are asking for Swaraj and we shall get it. Dear people, don't go with the British. They enslave us, tell us what to think, what to feel, treating us like machines. We are not machines. We are human beings, and freedom is our birthright. We yearn for it. We deserve it. So invoke the spirit that demands it. Destroy the superstition that blinds you, for I have seen that there are some who believe we are not worthy of self-rule. They are afraid. They think we are not fit, but a man's reach should exceed his grasp. Some selfish interests oppose our demands for Poon Swaraj in practical politics on the pretext of several issues ridding our country. But we can all eradicate them together. Remember, these issues can only be solved by cooperation amongst us, and the British must not get in the way.
I think we fear the idea of change because we think that we have to sacrifice something, to give something up. After what we're going to do, India is never going to be the same again. This session is going to mark a turning point in the history of India. The goal of independence is proclaimed, and it is resolved to free our country from alien rule, whatever the sacrifice. The twilight of British Empire in India is fast approaching, and there's a promise of dawn in that darkness. That dawn is hope for a better future.
Freedom does not come for free. It does not come cheap. It has a price, it has a cost, but it is worth the price. Because freedom is not given. It is toiled for, it is strived for, and it is taken. In the session of 1929 at Lahore, the Indian National Congress voted for complete independence against the British. Therefore, we have decided that 26th January 1930 will be celebrated as complete Independence Day. I have full confidence that if all the arrangements are made as they should be made, and all do their duty and everything goes according to plan, then we shall prove ourselves able to be free, to ride out into the storm of war, to outlive this menace of tyranny. If necessary, for years, if necessary, alone. Whatever the cost, at any rate, and whatever the consequences may be, that is what we are doing. Some say it is impossible. To them I say no, it's necessary. We shall go on to the end, strive whatever the cost may be, defend to the death our right to be free, because we earned it and we deserve it. Ladies and gentlemen, and all those in this assembly, in this gathering, my voice is reaching millions throughout the nation. Millions of despairing men, women, and little children. To them I say, don't despair. Don't lose hope. Right now, there are people throughout the world just like you. They wish, they dream, they hope for a better tomorrow, for a better life, for a better future. And right now they sit there listening to these words, and to them I say, there are those who do not want us to speak. Then why is that so? Why can't we speak? Because while the truncheon may be used in lieu of conversation, words will always retain their power, for they are ideas. And ideas can't be contained, can't be bottled, can't be beaten, can't be stopped. Words offer the meaning to those who will listen. And to them, it offers the enunciation of truth. And the truth is, there is something terribly wrong in this country, isn't there? They say we die twice. Once when our breath leaves our body, and once when we have forgotten. Our breath may leave our body, but ladies and gentlemen, we shall never be forgotten, because legends never die, and because despite all odds, despite all misery and bloodshed and strife and pain, we are alive. We are still here. And therefore, listen to me and trust me when I say that tonight we shall rain down in history. Tonight we become legends. A day will come when our courage will fail, when we shall forsake our friends and our family, and all bonds of fellowship shall be crushed, shall be shattered, shall be broken. But today is not that day, because today and now and onwards from this very night, we will fight, because this is the dawn of the new age. And at the stroke of midnight hour, with the old year melting into new, I, Jawaharlal Nehru, hereby declare that we shall not submit to the British, and we demand Poon Swaraj, and I unfurl the Swaraj.
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। हाँ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे।
That was a truly inspiring performance. गणतंत्र उत्सव की अगली कड़ी में जिस नृत्य प्रस्तुति का आप आनंद लेंगे, उसमें एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण और खूबसूरत संदेश हम सबके लिए है। मित्रों, जिस तरह एक मकान एक परिवार से घर बनता है, विद्यालय विद्यार्थियों से पहचाना जाता है, ठीक उसी तरह एक राष्ट्र का अस्तित्व, उसका मान सम्मान उसके देशवासियों से होता है। इसलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि जो घर, जो विद्यालय, जो देश हमें संरक्षण दे, हमें पहचान दे, जीवन दे, उसके प्रति हम भी अपने कर्मों से, अपने आचरण से समर्पित रहें। कुछ ऐसी ही भावना और जज्बात लेकर प्रस्तुत है यह समूह नृत्य।
भूला जिसे तुझको वो याद करता रहा,
जीता रहा तेरे लिए वो मरता रहा तेरे दर्द की आहट सुनी तो आ गया सब छोड़ के तेरी राह में लेकर खुशी वो है खड़ा हर मोड़ पे सब छोड़ के तू भूला जिसे तुझको वो याद करता रहा फिक्र में गुजरता रहा लम्हा दर लम्हा तेरे साथ दुनिया थी वो रहा तन्हा का तन्हा तेरी फिक्र में गुजरता रहा लम्हा दर लम्हा तेरे साथ दुनिया थी वो रहा तन्हा का तन्हा देखा था जो पलकों को भी निचोड़ के तेरी राह में लेकर खुशी वो है खड़ा हर मोड़ पे सब छोड़ के जिसे तुझको वो याद करता रहा
That was indeed a mesmerizing performance. May I now request the compeers of the Cultural and Co-Curricular Awards to take over the proceedings and announce the awards.
Thank you, Sia. I would like to announce the prizes for Independence Day. The gold badge for dance goes to Yashasvi Verma and Aryan Anand. Silver badge for dance goes to Manaswini Singh, Nandini Sethi, Janvi Tongia and Samya Parish Qureshi. Bronze badge for dance goes to Drishna Nayak, Himanshi Asudani and Sahana Jain. Merit certificates for dance goes to Prithvi Sudeep, Avneet Bagga, Varuni Agrawal, Araina Samal, Ridhima Jain, Ishana Vaish, Rajveer Chimnani and Rajveer Patel. Now we have the prizes for Republic Day. The college color goes to Gauravi Singh, Janvi Badera and Vandit Barjatya. Gold badge for dance goes to Chaheti Agrawal, Janvi Agrawal, Kratika Nahata, Harshita Garg. silver badge for dance goes to Padmini Jain. Bronze badge for dance goes to Yashvardhan Agrawal, Rohan Jain, Chitwan Kher, Vibhati Agrawal, Samya Qureshi, and Ansh Chabla. I would now invite Nabiha for dramatics. Thank you.
Thank you, Janvi. I'd like to announce the awards for 15th August. The gold badge for dramatics goes to Pragun Gupta, Prakhar Agrawal, Siddhant Jawar, and Arjun Sharma. Now I'd like to announce the awards for Republic Day. The college colors for dramatics goes to Sara Qureshi, Priyank Nahata, and Nabiha Khusro. The gold badge for dramatics goes to Shivom Rathore and Manav Sanghvi. Silver badge for dramatics goes to Anandi Nair, Vedika Dubey, and Sanjali Krishna. Bronze badge for dramatics goes to Rajveer Singh Sisodia. Now I'd like to invite Manav for further proceedings. Thank you.
Thank you, Nabiha. Now these are the awards for music for 15th August. Gold badges are awarded to Swastindra Mishra, Kush Verma, Krishneshwar Singh, and Ashwin Gupta. Silver badges are awarded to Surya Pratap Daur, Hetal Shastri, and Navya Nema, and Arimit Chatterjee. Bronze badges for Indian music are awarded to Tirth Dalmia. Now for Western music. Silver badges are awarded to Sahas Garg and Karan Jain. Now I would like to invite Charvi to take over.
Thank you, Manav. I would like to now announce the 26th January Awards for Visual Arts. The following are the award winners from grades 12 to 10. College Color for Visual Arts goes to Sara Qureshi. Gold Badge for Visual Arts goes to Garima Jaiswal, Pranayani Singh, Vidhar Dand, Unnati Jain, Kaustubh Raj Singh, Adya Jain, Agnay Madambad, Adya Singh, Suhani Pathak, Sia Arora, Kavya Agrawal, and Parilakshita Singh. The silver badge for visual arts goes to Shalavya Agrawal, Samiha Dave, Jayavardhan Tibrewal, Khushi Rathore, Anvay Sethi, Charvi Shukla, Ayush Sachdev, Rudra Sehgal, Suryaveer Jain, Ishita Agrawal, and Jasmeet Kaur. The bronze badge for visual arts goes to Ananya Sethi, Anisha Bahani, Harshit Singh Malhotra, Chahat Panjwani, Gauravi Singh, and Harshita Garg. The following are the award winners for August 15th. The college color for visual arts goes to Arko Das Gupta, Ishita Agrawal. The gold badge for visual arts goes to Ariki Soni, Adya Sachdev, Prasiddhi Kankarya. The silver badge goes to Mahi Narsia, Tanisha Singh, Ridhima Kumari Singh, Gitika Lat, Nandika Barjadia, Sadgi Garg, Arushi Asawa, Aziz Hussain, Himanshi Asadhani, Deva Bidasaria, and Adya Singh. The bronze badge for visual arts goes to Harshita Agrawal, Heetal Shastri, Mahi Rawat, Vanshika Sangla, Sakhi Malpani, and Sara Lanawat. I would now like to invite Arushi to take over the proceedings.
Thank you, Charvi. I would now like to announce the awards for the English Literary Society. The gold badge goes to Arushi Jain, Pradyuman Chandok, and Janvi Tiwari. The silver badge is awarded to Devanshi Shukla, Pranayini Singh, and Sia Fulambrikar. Thank you, and I would now like to invite Renisha Garg to take over the proceedings.
Thank you, Arushi. The awards for Hindi literary activities for the years 2019-20 and 2020-21 are as follows. The gold badge is awarded to Anurag Moide, Purvaja Jain, Sanjali Krishna, Pari Doshi, and Shubhra Jain. The silver badge is awarded to Mahi Tiwari and Himadri Rathore. The bronze badge is awarded to Unnati Jain. Thank you, and now I would like to request Bhavya Sumrani to take over the proceedings.
Thank you, Renisha. Good morning, everyone. I'd like to announce the award for quizzing for this year's Republic Day. The college color goes to Bhavya Sumrani. The silver badge goes to Pradyuman Chandok, Shalava Agrawal, and Vedant Adhana. Thank you. Over to you, Sia.
Thank you, Bhavya. May I now request the compeers of the Sports Awards to announce the awards, and thereafter also announce the captains and vice captains appointed for the various disciplines of sports this year.
Good morning, everyone. The following students have been awarded with College Color and Certificate of Merit for the session 2019-20. To begin with, athletics. The College Color goes to Khwahish Goyal, Soumya Rajpal, Heem Mohan Putran, Rishika Yogendra Deshpande, Riddhima Kumari Singh, and Shubhangi Rathore. The Certificate of Merit is awarded to Lakshi Sharma. For badminton, the college color is awarded to Kea Chandani and Vansh Bansal. Next is basketball. The college color is awarded to Rishima Raheja and Kabir Maini. The certificate of merit is awarded to Adya Mishra, Renisha Garg, and Mahi Rawat. Moving on to chess, the college color is awarded to Sarah Dagaria and Sahil Dadwani. Cricket, the college color is awarded to Kabir Krishna, Nihan Jain, Jasveer Singh Anand, Ansh Dadwani, and Sahil Patani. The certificate of merit is awarded to Rishabh Bokhadia, Abhimanyu Singh, Manan Chugh, Ashwini Garg, Rajveer Chimnani, Parishrut Sisodia, Kartike Gupta, Vishwanjay Patel, Hardik Sharma, and Advik Doshi. College color for football boys is awarded to Somesh Garg, Dushyant Pratap Singh, and Pratyaksh Patni. College color for football girls is awarded to Meher Sajdev, Vradhi Somani, Ahana Dhawan, Divya Agrawal, Anshika Bansal, Bhuvika Bhalla, Soumya Rajpal, Nilambika Devi, Rudrapriya Ranawat, Himadri Rathore, and Janvi Tiwari. The Certificate of Merit is awarded to Bhavamanyu Agrawal, Manav Singh Dikit, Vivan Gautam, Yatharth Pandya, Anandhay Singh Chauhan, Raghumanyu Singh Chandawat, Karan Bindal, Durgesh Singh Yadav, Anup Jat, Shrivats Jain, Udaivir Singh Arneja, Rajveer Takalkar, Udayvardhan Singh, Vikas Kanter, Mayurdhwat Singh Rawal, Prayanshu Banik and Abir Singh Mehta. For gymnastics, the college color is awarded to Sahana Jain, Omika Mehta and Prithvi Sudeep. The Certificate of Merit is awarded to Suhani Pathak, Akshita Naidu, Vanchika Shrivas and Saloni Garg. Now I would like to invite Gauravi Singh for further proceedings.
Thank you. Good morning. For shooting, College Color for Boys is awarded to Bibud Mishra, Suryansh Pratap Singh, Sahas Garg, Manikya Rathor, Amay Mishra, Aishwarya Singh, Avhan Narang, Harshvardhan Meena, Karmaditya Singh Jadeja, Arnav Mandloi, Prithviraj Singh Gada, and Shivang Doval. College Color for Girls is awarded to Nancy Solanki, Devanshi Shukla, Sanjali Krishna, Arushi Asawa, Amritanshi Dawar, Manaswini Singh, Arkja Singh, and Umika Bhalla. Certificate of Merit for Boys is awarded to Shivendra Pratap Singh, Raghavraj Singh, Ranveer Singh, Vindhyaraj Singh, Surya Pratap Daur, Devam Bangar, Alaman Hussain, and Parv Mittal. Certificate of Merit for Girls is awarded to Himanshi Asudani, Samya Parish Qureshi, Ferry Gohil, Advitya Shah, Radha Dua, Gagandeep Kaur, Kamakshi Devi, and Maria Hussain Bandukwala. For skating, College Color is awarded to Priyansh Sukhija, Adish Jain, Parth Chirolya, and Aryan Anand. Certificate of Merit is awarded to Laisha Agrawal and Ranveer Pratap Singh. For squash, College Color is awarded to Nirvan Barjatya and Moksh Sangvi. Certificate of Merit is awarded to Divyanshi Singh Solanki, Vaidya Patel, Yashaswini Singh Sisodia, and Divishi Sojatya. For swimming, College Color for Boys is awarded to Atharv Agrawal, Aryan Anand, Abir Singh Mehta, Tanishq Lulla, Shivom Rathor, Vansh Mundra, and Devansh Chaudhya. College Color for Girls is awarded to Imaira Sethi, Tarini Kohli, Tanisha Rao, Alia Ali, Devangna Chandra, Nidhi Gotwal, and Gursimran Kaur Bhullar. Certificate of Merit is awarded to Parth Jain, Adit Jain, Urjit Sethi, and Nirvan Barjatya. For tennis, College Color for Girls is awarded to Amishi Shukla, Pehel Kharadkar, Rabnishk Chhabra, Zainab Barwaniwala, Gayatri Babbar, Bhuvika Bhalla, Maria Bandukwala, and Umika Bhalla. College Color for Boys is awarded to Vivan Gautam, Rehan Malik, Krishnamani Patwari, Karan Bindal, Ashman Raj Agrawal, Ashmit Bindal, and Shubham Agrawal. Thank you. Now I would like to call Harshita Garg to announce the sports prefects for the session 2020-21.
Thank you, Gauravi. Good morning.
Following students have been appointed as captains and vice captains of their respective sports division for the year 2020-21. To begin with, aquatics, boys, Vedant Adhana captain, Tanish Lulla vice captain. Girls, Anandi Nair captain, Vedika Dubey vice captain. Athletics, boys, Rajveer Singh Sisodia captain, Suryaveer Singh vice captain. Girls, Riddhi Srivastav captain, Harshita Garg vice captain. Badminton, boys, Advait Lat captain, Adit Neema vice captain. Basketball, boys, Prabal Pratap Singh Jhala captain, Ant Sepaha vice captain. Girls, Shubhra Jain captain, Advika Chaudhary vice captain. Cricket, boys, Suryaraj Singh Shaktawat captain, Rachit Goel vice captain. Football, boys, Arman Agrawal captain, Raghavendra Singh Rathore vice captain. Girls, Charvi Shukla captain. Gymnastics, Suhani Pathak captain, Sahana Jain vice captain. Hockey, Kaustubh Raj Singh captain. Shooting, boys, Aditya Pratap Singh captain, Bibud Mishra vice captain. Girls, Gauravi Singh captain, Sachi Agrawal vice captain. Skating, Shivanshi Goel captain, Mahi Tiwari vice captain. Squash, boys, Athar Vievle captain, Anant Kasliwal vice captain. Girls, Khushi Rathore captain, Ananya Sethi vice captain. Tennis, boys, Kabir Chabra captain, Dhruv Makhija vice captain. Girls, Adya Kedia captain. Thank you. Now I would like Sia to proceed.
Thank you, Harshita. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now request the principal of the school, Mr. Neeraj Kumar Bedotia, to address the gathering.
Dear students, staff, and members of Delhi College community who may be in Indore, India, or abroad as we are live on YouTube and Facebook. I send you my warmest greetings on the 72nd Republic Day of the country. While in 1950, on this day, the Constitution came into effect, the day was chosen because in 1930, India declared Purn Swaraj from British rule. The Constitution is the written statement of our collective dream about the nation we, the public, wanted to create for each one of us. The Constitution made us a sovereign republic. We chose democracy, the way to govern the new republic. Public has the power to not only give a government to themselves, but also to remove it through democratic means. Transfer of power takes place in a peaceful manner in a democracy. That is what at least the concept of democracy is. That democracy is fragile and requires continuous shield from those who may feel more entitled than others in a republic was demonstrated recently in the oldest democracy, United States of America, where one government or the ruler, the president, wanted to use various loopholes in their constitution to allow them and him to continue despite losing the election. Legislature, executives, judiciary, and media all were tested, and tested well, the so-called pillars of democracy. Citizens watched with abated breath as insurrection happened by a group of fellow citizens who believed that the current government has been cheated and they have a right to use physical force and other illegal means to ensure continuity of the government and the president. Luckily, better sense prevailed and transfer of power took place, though the scars caused by the process will need extraordinary work through democratic means to heal these. USA is a divided nation today, and democracy is facing its biggest test probably in 200 years in the oldest democracy. We are a young nation, and time to time we have seen fissures appearing on the basis of religion, caste, language, gender, poor versus rich narratives, and the list goes on. Yet, democracy seems to have taken deeper roots in our collective psyche as the values enshrined in our Constitution of justice, liberty, equality to all citizens, and fraternity has been part of our DNA for thousands of years. You, my young members of this great school and the great country, our future, you are the future of this republic. Your thoughts and actions will determine its future, and therefore it is important that you understand these values by which we need to live. If we understand, accept, and practice these values, democracy will thrive in our nation, and so will India as a nation and you as its citizens. Respect diversity, and our nation's diversity is unique as its beauty. Be it nature or humans, look at the vibrancy of its people. Their culture, food, costume, dresses, music, features, landscape, and I can go on. Recently, we as family took a road trip to Goa and took a route closer to Arabian Sea. I recommend to every Indian that they should travel through the length and breadth of our own country before taking a trip abroad to appreciate the beauty of India. The beaches that we saw untouched along the route made us feel proud yet again as Indians. Sare jahan se acha Hindustan hamara was reminded again and again every day that we traveled through Konkan area. I'm reminding you all that Mahatma Gandhi took a train journey through India when he arrived to see, experience, feel the pulse, and understand challenges and see the result that we are sitting in a free country. Your understanding and practicing of 4 values that I spoke about, which are mentioned in our Constitution, and use of 4 pillars of democracy will ensure that we go from strength to strength to spread our Mool Mantra, Vasudev Kutumbakam. My dear Dalians and staff, we are nearing a year of pandemic, which continues to threaten life and livelihood. However, I salute the spirit of the nation and its citizens and my own staff, parents and students and alumni who have set an example in most difficult times. You are the soul of this great institution, and it was nurtured by us magnificently when occasion presented a crisis. The hallmark of exceptional communities. I would like to mention particularly parents and staff who joined hands together through the year to ensure our children receive the best possible education, given the limitations caused by the pandemic. On behalf of the community, I gratefully acknowledge the support and commitment of parents and teachers respectively. We have set an example for a school across the country of trust, camaraderie, and working together for our children. I hear stories of Dalians and alumni, how they helped during the exodus of migrants, providing financial and materialistic support to frontline workers, and the school also contributed in a small way when we provided 1,000 packets every day for almost 2 months in most difficult times and scary time, if I may say, of the pandemic in April, May, and June. Kudos to the community. Yet another example of community working together in our school to achieve greater heights was making of Karm Yogini, a Delhi College production which was premiered on January 23 in the school. What an occasion! The setting, decorations went beyond the wildest dreams of those who attended and those who planned. It was a Broadway show, wasn't it? Befitting the 150th year of the school and tribute to the community who got together in pandemic to make the year memorable and create history. Devi Ahilyabai's life continues to inspire young women, how she managed, led, and ruled the Holkar state when she had lost everything. Her strategic moves, religious sentiments, care for all its people, irrespective of their religion and other diversity, holding the state together and establishing and cementing the state, the Holkar state, the family legacy. All that a woman achieves on a daily basis, on a smaller scale in a family. Family is a unit, does well where woman is allowed to express herself fully. So let us respect the one half of humanity and help women reach their potential for the larger benefit of the entire universe. Last, my dear Dalians, let us continue to serve and look for ways and means to serve better our country. Our brothers and sisters who are not as lucky as you are need our attention. Create platforms which will make them feel that they are cared for, that they can grow, that they have hope in this country. That is very much in our interest as it is in theirs. Otherwise, anarchy looms large. Let us pledge our service to our motherland so we all grow together. I was delighted to see a number of students returning to school yesterday, though for a short period of the exam and test. And I'm sure soon we will have the full school running as we used to. My compliments to parents and staff who continue to work together. Let us build a community the best anywhere in the world, caring, friendly, supporting, trusting, and standing together in crisis. I thank everybody and congratulate everybody who have put together this lovely program today, the second online after the Independence Day, very successfully. Students, teachers, instructors, Adams staff, they all deserve a huge round of applause. Once again, my greetings on this special day of our country. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now I request everyone to please rise for the national anthem.
जय अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्तर बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जल तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गावे कब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे